Here we have a Tens Machine from Beurer. It's a German brand. And these are the original pads that came with the device. They are pretty used. And these are aftermarket pads that I brought from Timo. So the only difference is that they are a bit thick and a bit bigger. You can see here the comparison. However, they work very well. They still stick even after using them like I don't know, like 10 to 15 times. So the the cables are just easy to attach. The same as the for the originals, they came into these bags, and I bought a full bags of pads. There were like 20 pads for like $10. And from what I see, like 20 pads will last me probably like a year, if not even more. So probably this is the best deal that you can do. Instead of buying original pads, from what I know, 4 original pads go for around $20. You can get 20 pads aftermarket for around $10. So yeah, you can just get this aftermarket ones. I recommend them. Easy to use, except that each one comes with this plastic that gets attached to, compared to the original one, which has this plastic that's where both pads get attached. These ones are individual, but it's pretty much the same thing. So if you're wondering, just get aftermarket ones if you cannot afford the original ones. For this one, Beurer, you need, I guess, 5 centimeters to 5 centimeters. However, this one seemed to work. They have the same socket, the same piece of metal here. Usually, if you don't know which version to get, just copy paste the title of the pads, the aftermarket ones, into ChatGPT or whatever AI website you're using. Ask if it's compatible and they will answer. But for this device, these ones seem to work very well. So I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.